Okay, this is number 81 on page 30. The good news is the instructions say to simplify the expression and express the answer using rational exponents. Assume that all letters denote positive numbers. So that means we don't have to worry about taking a absolute value out because it tells you to assume that all the letters are positive numbers. So that's nice. All right, so first I'm going to simplify the bottom. So you have the square root of xy over the fourth root of 16 is 2. And then you have the fourth root of xy. Okay, so from there you need to get rid of the fourth root on the bottom. So we're going to multiply it by the fourth root of xy over the fourth root of xy, but that's not going to give us enough. We need to have 4 x's and 4 y's under here. Right now I'm only going to have 2. So I actually need to multiply it by the fourth root of xy cubed over the fourth root of xy cubed. So now I have 3 of them. I have 3 of them on this one, xxx, and 1 of them right there, so that gives me 4. So that gives me the square root of xy times the fourth root of xy cubed over 2xy. Okay, so our answers are supposed to be expressed using rational exponents, and that'll help us simplify this too. So that gives me xy to the 1/2 times xy to the 3/4. And I'm going to put the x's, apply the exponent, so x to the 1/2 times x to the 3/4 times y to the 1/2 times y to the 3/4. And this is all still over the 2xy at the bottom. I'm just simplifying. This is the top. I guess I should say that this is the top that I'm simplifying right now. Now I need to combine my fractions. So 1/2, I'll do it over here, 1/2 plus 3/4 is 2/4 plus 3/4, which is 5/4. Okay, so on the top I have x to the 5/4, and then the y is going to be the same, y to the 5/4. And this is all over 2xy. So now, if I have an x on the top and an x on the bottom, so I have an x right here and an x right here, to combine them I subtract the exponents, so 5/4 minus 1/4, or sorry, minus 4/4. So if you have x to the 5/4 divided by x to the 1/4, that's x to the 5/4, sorry, x to the 1, x to the 5/4 minus 4/4, which is x to the 1/4. So you get x to the 1/4 on top, y to the 1/4 on top when you subtract the y's, all over 2. And that's your final answer. So now that I've done all that, I look back and I probably could have done that from the very beginning. I could have made this x to the 1/2 times y to the 1/2 over x to the 1/4, y to the 1/4, and then subtracted that, and that would have been a lot faster than working through rationalizing the denominator and then subtracting, but I guess that was good practice for both. So there it is.